everyone, welcome to Yen's Family Table. Today, these gorgeous and soft, sweet flour buns with jam and a streusel topping. They're really easy to make, no equipment needed. So let's go. Let's start by making the bread dough. Combine milk, yeast, sugar, milk powder, and part of a large egg. And mix. Add the dry ingredients and mix until you can't anymore with a spatula. Knead by hand until you have one dough and add the softened or melted butter. Knead the dough again to incorporate all of the butter and knead it on a table surface until it's soft and supple. It should take about 5 minutes. Form it into a smooth bowl and leave it to rise covered for 1 to 2 hours. Now let's make a simple streusel topping by mixing up butter, sugar, and flour between your fingers until you've got crumbs. This is optional, but it does add an extra buttery sweetness to the buns. When the dough has risen well and can hold its form when poked, it's ready to be shaped. Take it out of the bowl, degas a bit, and then divide into 6 to 8 pieces. Shape each piece into a tight, smooth ball and leave it to rest for 10 minutes covered with some cling film. Once the doughs have time to relax, to shape the flowers, get a small piece and press down. Take a small round glass and some oil. Dip the bottom of the glass into the oil and then place it in the center of the ball of dough and press down. Then cut 6 slits into the dough evenly around the glass. Pinch each of the end of the dough that has been separated. Take out the glass and a flower is formed. Place each of these flowers onto a baking tray to rise again, cover for another 45 minutes to an hour. When they've puffed up again, the dent in the middle would have also risen. So take that same glass and dent the flower again in the center. This time, do it over the cling film. Now get your favorite jam and fill each flower with about 1 teaspoon of it. Top with the streusel and brush with the egg that we saved from earlier. Bake for 15 to 20 minutes at 180 centigrade or 350 Fahrenheit. And there you have it, an easy to make, fun to shape, sweet and soft jam-filled bun that is perfect for breakfast or a snack. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and comment below. I love to hear from you. And as always, go to yensfamilytable.com for the full written recipe. Hit a like and subscribe to my channel for more recipes like this. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.